The occurrence of displacement of information and information concentration in the bottom gusset of a standing pouch is dependent on the type of pouch-making machine used. Displacement of information. This situation arises when the pouch-making machine inserts the bottom gusset into the standing pouch. Due to operational tolerances and time gaps during the manufacturing process, there can be a displacement of information on the pouch, such as text, graphics, or logos. Information concentration. In contrast, the stand-up pouch-making machine directly folds and forms a complete pouch from the roll film. This results in information, such as text, graphics, or logos, being concentrated in a specific area of the bottom gusset. The primary difference between these two situations lies in the bottom gusset style and its suitability for different types of hermetic seals. Displacement of information. This type of standing pouch has the best hermetic seal and is commonly used for packaging various products, including liquids and semi-liquids. Information concentration. The hermetic seal of this stand-up pouch packaging style is not as perfect as the previous one. It is more suitable for packaging non-liquid products such as powders and granules. When designing a standing pouch, it is important to understand the difference between these two situations and consider the characteristics of your product. This knowledge will help you avoid making a wrong design choice for your specific packaging needs. By taking into account the type of hermetic seal required and the characteristics of your product, you can ensure that the standing pouch design is accurate and appropriate for your packaging requirements.